Hey guys, we're going to do the dado joint today. So the dado joint has to be 6 inches wide and 6 inches high. Our dado must be in the center of the bottom piece of stock. So our first measurement is to cut this at 6 inches. Okay. Now, when we go to lay it out, our center is 3. This is our center line. Okay. So it needs to be 3/8 to the right and 3/8 to the left. So I'll measure, because we're 3 here, if we go 2 5/8 here, that'll leave us a 3/8 there. And if we go 3/8 here, it'd be 3 3/8. Correct? Alright, so then I'm going to take my square, I'm going to make these 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, and also the cut line. We also need to come down 3/8 of an inch there. So we'll take our tape measure, measure down 3/8. Okay. And I want you to practice your finger gauging. There. Turn around. Do this side. Alright, so this is ready to dado. We're going to cut this off. So this is our 6-inch piece, 6 inches with our dado in the center. So we're going to clamp this. I'm going to clamp it on both sides. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut on the inside, and also that center line. Make sure you stay within your lines. And then the center line. Alright, so when we chisel this out, we want to chisel this from this direction halfway. And then when we're done with that, we're going to turn it around and chisel this way. That prevents the wood from splitting out. And when you put the kerf cuts in, it makes it easier to chisel. And you're not struggling to chisel this out. And plus you get nicer dado joint. So that's how it should look. Nice and smooth. You go back in here, it's level, it's not rounded in the center. My cuts here are square. Okay? So the next thing we're going to do, because this has to be 6 inches in height, we need to take the deduction from the 6-inch piece of the 3/8. So this piece will be 5 5/8. So we'll measure 5 5/8. Square it. Put it in the clamp. So this piece should fit in here just snug, just like that. So this should measure 6 inches this way and 6 inches this way. Okay? That is your dado joint. Thanks for watching.